Hello everyone, my name is Alberto Cabello and I have been in charge on working on EFRT 1804, which is providing authentication to the VPS API. So let's begin. So the first thing we're going to have is that we need tokens providing services. So if I go to run command, which was developed at a separate time, and I go here, we get an unauthorized status code, which makes sense. We don't have any authorization. So then the way it works is there's a certain flow to it. You need to first request a public key, which you go to by going to token public key, and you're gonna go get it, and then it returns a JSON object with all this. Then in production, the EFRT API would then use this public key to generate its own, to encrypt a message. But without the EFRT API, we do not have this. So I have taken the liberty of making a testing endpoint, which is this one. It's just token, just lowercase test, where you can provide a message so that it'll encrypt it for you. This endpoint will be removed once the pull request goes through. So you'd have to talk to the EFRT API people to figure this out. So in the meantime, let's for now explain what I mean. We're going to encrypt hello using the public key we got from over here. Copy it, and then you pass it in as body parameter. You're going to get send. This is going to be the entire encrypted message. You're going to go to token create, and it takes one parameter in the body, just encrypted secret. You paste it, and it's going to give you a couple messages. The first will be wrong secret. That's because the message we encrypted is obviously incorrect. It's not hello. Next is, if we were to encrypt this with the same public key, right? With the same public key, but we change it. So let's change this S to an SQ. Let's change this S to a Q. We're gonna get a new message because it's obviously a different public key. We're gonna go here, token create, and notice for wrong secret it returns a 400 error code. We paste the new encrypted message. We're gonna get a internal server error, and you're gonna get a message of bad key because the public key used to encrypt it does not match the private key on the server. So next, let's go back here. Let's change this back to an S. Now the correct secret is going to be the same one as the Redis secret. This can be configured later on, but for now we defaulted to the Redis secret as I felt, along with EFWA, that it was safer. So if we encrypt the Redis secret, we get this entire thing. We can paste it. We go here, rechange this now, and click send. We get a token now, which is the same as before, as I showed in the EFRT 1652, I believe, which was run command. We can now get this token, come here, copy it, paste it into run command, and then send, and then we successfully wrote to run command without this token. So let's change this E to a D. It won't work. You get internal server error, which is desirable. Back to an E. It'll write run command again. No, this is not, you don't need to test run command. This is just to show that token authorization works. So that's all I have to show for this. My name is Alberto Cabello. Product owner was Masood Sajadi. You can contact me here. You can contact the product owner here. Let me know of any issues.